There are three views in life. See the world, see all living beings, see yourself. Heaven and earth are the law, cloudy and sunny, birth, old age, sickness and death. All living beings are human nature, monsters, ghosts, fame and fortune. Self is desire, 7 emotions and 6 desires, greed, hatred and obsession. When you see the world, you know awe, so you are humble. When you see all beings, you know compassion, so you are tolerant. When you see yourself, you know the way back, so you are open-minded. Excerpt from Three Views in Life. Master Hongyi. Heaven and earth are laws. Heaven and earth can be understood as metaphorical representations of different aspects of the natural world. In this context, the phrase, heaven and earth are laws, could mean that the natural world follows certain patterns or rules, which can be studied and understood. In various religious and philosophical traditions, heaven is often associated with the divine, the spiritual, or the transcendent, while earth represents the physical, material, or human realm. So when you say, heaven and earth are laws, you may be suggesting that both the spiritual and physical aspects of the world are governed by certain principles or laws. For example, in science, there are many natural laws that govern the behavior of objects and systems on Earth and in the universe, such as the laws of physics and chemistry. These laws help us understand and predict phenomena occurring in the natural world. Similarly, religious and philosophical traditions often propose moral, ethical, or spiritual laws that guide human behavior and help people find meaning and purpose in life. These laws can be seen as governing the spiritual or moral aspect of the human experience. In this sense, the phrase, heaven and earth are laws, could be an expression of the belief that both the physical and the spiritual aspects of existence follow certain principles or laws that can be discovered, understood, and applied to improve our lives and the world around us. In the end, the law can be summarized as man follows the earth follows the sky follows the Tao, and the Tao follows nature. The original work of Tao Follows Nature is a Chinese, Li Er, who is the author of Tao Te Ching, known as Lao Tzu, and also the Supreme Lord in mythology. Louis County, Hunan Province today. 7 emotions and 6 desires. In traditional Chinese culture, 7 emotions and 6 desires are believed to be the fundamental aspects of human nature. These concepts are often used to describe the emotional and desire-driven aspects of human behavior. 7 emotions. 1. Joy, a positive emotion experienced when something pleasurable or desirable occurs. 2. Anger, a strong emotional response to perceived threats, injustice, or frustration. 3. Sorrow, a feeling of deep sadness, often resulting from loss or disappointment. 4. Fear, an emotion triggered by a perceived threat or danger, leading to an urge to avoid or escape the situation. 5. Love, a deep affection or attachment towards someone or something. 6. Hatred, an intense dislike or aversion towards someone or something, often due to perceived harm or injustice. 7. Desire, a strong feeling of wanting or craving for something, often accompanied by a sense of urgency or restlessness. 6 desires. 1. Desire for wealth, the craving for material possessions, financial security, and social status. 2. Desire for sex, the longing for physical intimacy, sexual pleasure, and procreation. 3. Desire for fame, the pursuit of recognition, admiration, and social standing. 4. Desire for food, the craving for sustenance, nourishment, and culinary pleasure. 5. Desire for sleep, the longing for rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. 6. Desire for survival, the instinctual drive to preserve one's own life, safety, and well-being. These 7 emotions and 6 desires are thought to have a significant impact on a person's actions, thoughts, and overall well-being. In Chinese philosophy and traditional medicine, it is believed that maintaining a balance among these emotions and desires is essential for achieving harmony and good health.